Good morning, everybody. We have a 2014 Benz S 550 that just rolled in off the truck. Really nice car. It starts and it drives. We drove it right into the spot. You have some damage here on the rear bumper cover and the right rear quarter panel. This looks repairable. I'm pretty sure you don't have to change the quarter here. You definitely have to replace the tail light. Back glass is good. It's a 4Matic. Also has some damage to the left side. Suspension looks okay. You're gonna have to replace the inner and outer quarter panel, the dog leg, the left rear door. The roof looks pretty square. It's a panoramic roof, not broken. And then you have some repairable damage on the left front door. Windshield is okay. Let's take a look inside. Good forward bags. You have one curtain airbag that's deployed. You also have a seat airbag that's deployed. 2 sets of keys. Lots of leg room back here. You have the rear bench seat airbag is deployed also. Super nice car. We're gonna image it, put it on the website. Pricing, details, everything you need to know about the vehicle. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and we'll keep the posts coming. Thank you.